Welcome to the channel. The auto industry has been revolutionized by innovations that have changed the way we drive and live. From groundbreaking technologies to life-saving features, today, we're counting down the top 5 game-changing innovations that forever altered the automotive world. Let's get started. First up, the assembly line, an innovation that changed everything. Introduced by Henry Ford in 1913, the assembly line made mass production possible, driving down the cost of cars and making them affordable for the average person. This single change made automobiles accessible to millions and laid the foundation for the modern auto industry. Instead of taking weeks to produce a single car, Ford revolutionized the process, making cars more accessible and fueling the growth of the middle class. It set the stage for the global car industry to thrive and become the powerhouse it is today. Next on the list is the internal combustion engine. This engine powered vehicles for over a century and made long-distance travel possible. It allowed cars to go further and faster, creating the booming auto industry we know today. Without it, the global car market wouldn't exist as we know it. The internal combustion engine became the backbone of the automobile, allowing for more powerful and efficient cars. It made personal travel and goods transportation on a massive scale a reality, connecting people like never before. Safety is a big deal in the auto industry, and it was forever transformed with the introduction of airbags and seatbelts. In the 1950s, seatbelts became standard, and in the 1970s, airbags were introduced. These life-saving features have made driving safer than ever and reduced injuries on the road dramatically. The introduction of seatbelts in every vehicle was a major turning point, saving millions of lives over the decades. Airbags, which became common in the 1990s, provided an added layer of protection, revolutionizing the way car manufacturers prioritize driver and passenger safety. Electric vehicles are the future. With the rise of environmental concerns and fuel efficiency, EVs are transforming the industry. EVs run on batteries, cutting out the need for fossil fuels, and their popularity is growing. Major manufacturers like Tesla are leading the charge with a cleaner and greener future for transportation. The shift towards electric cars marks a significant turning point in the battle against climate change, with many governments pushing for a future where all vehicles are electric. With advancements in battery technology, EVs now offer longer ranges, making them a practical option for daily use. Last but not least, we have autonomous driving technology. Imagine a car that drives itself. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's already here. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic braking are just the beginning. Soon, fully self-driving cars will change how we think about travel forever. These technologies not only improve safety, but are set to reduce traffic accidents, making roads safer for everyone. As autonomous systems become more advanced, the possibility of a future without drivers at the wheel is quickly becoming a reality. These 5 innovations are responsible for the cars we drive today and the ones we'll be driving tomorrow. From mass production to self-dreaming technology, the auto industry is evolving faster than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more on how technology is shaping the world around us.